Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, October 19, 2021. As you can see that the market is continue to put it up. Right now, if you look at the S&P 500, we are testing the upper level of all-time high at this level here. We look at last year, the market had come down in October, and then they push it back up, and then they slam it down when they failed to break a new high here. So this time the market had come back up. Right now, at this moment, we are testing the all-time high here again. So let's see that the market is to be able to punch through the level and continue, or it will do something like last year here. So the overall right now, we look at a lot of sector, a lot of stock, they are still very strong. So we have to watch out carefully for the next couple of days here. If we're able to clear out the all-time high here, the market will continue to put it up to the upside. But if they fail to break to this level, and then they will pull back. So right now the momentum is still bullish, so we will stick with the uptrend for now. If something happens, we will let you know. All right. So if you look at the other index, like Nasdaq is still far behind from the all-time high, but they again some momentum and then continue to put it back up. So we still have to watch out for this area when they get back there. Okay, so if they be able to clear this area here, something like ES, we will continue to the uptrend. All right, and look at the Dow. It also pretty strong. We are right at the top here right now. So if the next today we'll be able to close above this all-time high here, we will have more momentum to the upside. But if we fail to break out something, we need to pull back to build up some momentum before we can move higher. Look at the Russell 2000 with the small cap stock and the mid cap stock. Right now, they break out the triangle here, they pull back down, they put it back up, they fail again, so they still hold on to this level. So we need more momentum here to let them get out of the sell zone here before they can get up to the next all-time high here. So if they can hold on to it and they don't drop further, then they still be able to do that. Okay, if the other index can try to go up, and if a lot of stock can still try to put it in the upside, definitely they can break through this level and punch through higher. If you look at the crude oil, the crude oil is still pretty strong there. Even they go up, go down, but at this moment the trend is still up. We don't see any sign of reversal yet, so technically it's still bullish to the upside. Gold, in the other hand, it's choppy. They go up, they go down, so they put it back up, but they fail to go higher, so they slam it down. But they still hold on to the upper trend line here. So technically, we will see it. They try to hang on to this one here. If they can clear that area, they will go up there. But if they fail below this upper trend line, they will put it back down again. If you look at the Bitcoin, it's still pretty strong here right now. We are testing the previous high on April here. So the momentum is still pretty strong here. So same thing. This one is very similar to the S&P 500. If we can clear this area here, then definitely it will be more bullish for the Bitcoin in the future. But if they fail to break to this level, and then they will pull back a little bit, and then they will find a way to put it up again. So today, the first day that the market, they accept the new ETF for the Bitcoin related. So that's a good sign. That's a good news for the Bitcoin and a lot of stuff that related to the cryptocurrency. And if you look at all the sector of the S&P 500, you can see that a lot of them are still try to get up, like basic material. They try to get back. They need to test up the upper bound there. The strong sector like communication, they rebound from the bottom here, and if they can get up about here, they will gain some momentum and put it upside also. Couple sector that you should take a look right now. Let me see, on the weekend we go over a lot of sector. So one of them is doing very well after they found a support here, like the industrial sector. So they put it up to the upside here. As you can see, a lot of stock in this one, like IYT. They are doing very well there. They break out and continue to put it back up. They go up, down, but overall trend is still bullish. And next one is the CSX, right? So this one here is still pretty strong. The last couple of days they keep going up. UPS, as you can see here, okay, pretty strong. They are trying to find a way to put it up. And ODFL, so those stocks that we highlight on a weekly market forecast, they are still doing pretty well there. The next sector, financial sector, is also doing very well here. After they clear out the big bay here, they continue to put it back up. As you can see that the 10-year treasury note, it continue to put it high. So the interest rate, it put it up, so they will help the bank. So that's why a lot of bank stocks, they are getting better. And if you look at the another sector, at the XLK, which is the technology sector, they also found support and continue to put it up if they can clear this area here. And the tech sector is still moving up strong. And leading by the semiconductor, as well as a computer communication service. So those sectors, they will help the SLK moving back up. You also look at the energy sector. They are still good, but they are a little bit overbought. But some stocks are still doing pretty well, like Yahoo New Energy. They are able to break out this thing here and then continue to put it up there. And a lot of stock there, they have been doing extremely well, but a little bit extended, so you have to wait here and wait for pullback so that we can get in with a better price. Like this one here, they go straight up since the time that we show you long time. If you another sector today, I see it try to turn around, so that the XLV, okay, which is the healthcare and biotech stock. After they fall back in September, they come here, they found a support, they retest, they hold up. Now they try to find a way to put it up to the upside. Today, it's a couple of stocks in this sector. They are now earning really well. You know, like Johnson. Okay, they found support and the earnings come out good. They shoot it straight back up. So a couple vaccine-related stocks that we need to watch out at, like NINA. Okay, they also found support. Let's see if they can carry momentum and put it up from the support here, as well as the Pfizer. Okay, so they try to hold on to the support. Today they try to turn around. Let's see tomorrow they can continue and keep up that momentum to put it up again. Okay, and today a couple more bio healthcare stocks are now earning. So definitely if that company doing well. Let me see this one, SRG. Let's see this one after earning. What are they doing here? So after earning, they are still today they put it back up. So we don't know it yet, but definitely this sector they try to find a support and find a way up there. At the bank stock, you can see that a lot of good stock is still doing well. Okay, the financial sector like XLF, as you can see here, it's still pretty strong. It move it up, and JPM, JP Morgan, to try to find a way to put it up again. SBNY, that's another bank. They are too far, so they pulled back down after they run it too many weeks straight up here. So you gotta be careful. Some stock they go too far, then you need to wait for them to pull back. Don't try to chase it, because like this one here, they hit the target, so the overall trend is still bullish, but you have to monitor more carefully. But anything related to bank stock, they are still hold up very tight and still doing well. Okay, SCSW, okay, Chow Swap is still very strong with a good earning. Goldman Sachs, they are still strong there. Okay, and BLK, so those stocks, they try to find a way to turn around there. Let me see here. So if you, and we also look at a bunch of cyber security, they are also doing extremely well, as you can see there. They continue to put it up, and ET, but a little bit standard, so you need to wait for them to pull back. Don't try to chase it when it goes straight up like this. Okay, but those stocks are good stock. If you'll be able to buy and buy them when it pull back, that will, you can get a better entry. Okay, and on the weekend we show you a couple of stocks that crypto related, like Coinbase. Okay, let's see how they're doing. Very nice. In Sunday they have to continue to put it up to the upside. And BKCH, that's another one, it's still very strong there. And the third one that we have for you on the weekend is HUD, mining. They go up, they pull back down, but momentum is still in the upside. Okay, so the Bitcoin is still pretty strong, so a lot of stock in this sector still have a momentum to put it back up. So beside this stuff, if you're busy, you can subscribe to our Watchlist, premium Watchlist, where we handpick, a lot of good stock, and we update almost daily if we see the opportunity. So we can post it for you, so you can take a look, and we analyze with the entry, stop loss, and the target, so that you can follow. Okay, so far that all I have for you today on the market update. The overall, the market is still bullish. We are right at the all-time high. So let's see it the next couple of days here. The market be able to punch through this level there. Okay, if they can clear that area, that market they will continue to go to the upside. Why the volatility is in the low bound here. So as long as they stay in the bottom here, definitely they can help the market, okay, to stay calm for a while. But if they bow back up, then we have to watch out. Okay, all right, so that I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up, like button below to help my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on Thursday market update. Take care, everyone.